Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I have the Allure Beauty Box for the month of January. If you guys want to know what's in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so I'm excited to see what's in this box for the month of January. This is a beauty box. I paid I think it's $21 or $23 a month. I don't know, I'm subscribed to a lot of boxes, so all the prices just blend in together. It used to be a $15 box, but they recently put the prices up because they said they're going to give more full-size items, which is amazing. So I'm curious to see what I got. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing. I do lots of makeup unboxings on this channel, mostly makeup subscription boxes, and I love mystery boxes. So whenever there's any makeup mystery boxes, let your girl know because I am gonna be on it because I love unboxing makeup. And makeup that I don't know what I'm gonna get. It's just like that. It's like Christmas. You're just unboxing something you don't know what you're gonna get. That little, that little rush you get. Yeah, that's why I love unboxings. So, with that being said, let's watch this video and see what I got. Alrighty guys, so this is your sneak peek. We have a card on the top. Well, actually two cards. And then this is your sneak peek. The stuff always drops, so let me just hold it. There we go. Your sneak peek. Lately, Allure has not been on my side. Like, I have not been liking what I've been getting in the boxes. It's been mostly skincare, and I feel like a beauty box should have majority makeup than skincare. My opinion only. But let's see if this box is another skincare box or if it has at least one or two makeup items. So I do see something in here that looks like makeup. It says Blush Duo from the Beauty Crop. So let's open her up and see if this color is good for my skin tone or not. All right, this box is hard to open. Let's see here. Oh, wow. For once, I got something that I can actually use. The color's actually dark. It's like a mauvey color, which is actually like really good for my skin tone, which will look nice on me. I can actually wear this. So I'm actually happy that I can wear this. Let's see how much this costs. This retails for $10. Oh, not too shabby. Not too shabby. The next thing I got is from Saturday Skin. This is a Rubber Dub Refining Pale Gel. That's interesting. This is full size. Remember, this box is not an expensive box, so the fact that I got something full size is amazing. It says, start over by gently rubbing dullness away. Clean skin. It says rub in physical motions and then rinse off. So I'm guessing this is kind of like an exfoliator type of thing. Very excited. I don't have too much from Saturday Skin, so I'm excited to try this. I don't like skincare, but like exfoliators and stuff like that. Refining Pale Gel Gommage. That you could use like every other day, so that I would use. It's all the moisturizers I get that I have to give them away because you can only use the moisturizers in a certain frame time, and you shouldn't use them all together. So let's see how much that costs. That retails for $28. Also, it wasn't really expensive, but very excited for that. I got a L'Occitane cream right here, like a little baby one. Like, look how cute, so tiny. Let's see how much this costs. This says $110 for the full size of this. What does this do? I gotta try it. For $110, I gotta try this. And I like L'Occitane. Let me see what it smells like. It smells like moisturizer, nothing spectacular. But for $110, I'm not even gonna put any on my hand. I'm saving this for my face. The next thing I got is something else makeup. It's a Super Moisture Lipstick by True and Luscious. This is the box. The lipstick looks like so. Ooh, this color is beautiful. Look at this lipstick, guys. Yes, lipstick. Come through lipstick. It's like a burgundy-ish color. I definitely would wear this. I'm excited for that. Okay, so we got 2 makeup items. How much is this lipstick? This lipstick is $22. Then I got, oh my god, this is so cute. It's a mini air spun full coverage beauty blend. Guys, how cute is this? It's so cute. It's a baby beauty blender by Base Blue. So this is, I guess it's like for under your eyes. I don't own any baby beauty blenders, so excited to try this. How much is that? That retails for $7 for this little bad boy. And then I just got a card about the L'Occitane. You get 10% off if you want to buy it. So, we got 1, 2, 3 makeup items, which I love all 3 makeup items. And we got 2 skincare items. You know what? I actually like everything in this box. I'm actually really surprised because normally Allure, they haven't been doing too well with beauty items being in a box. Makeup items. It's mostly skincare. So your girl's happy. And I can't believe I'm gonna say this because my last video that I just did which was the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unbagging. It got a 10 out of 10. But this gets a 10 out of 10. So guess what happens when it gets a 10 out of 10? I do the 10 out of 10 song.
It gets a 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10.
Yes, I'm so happy. Very excited. 10 out of 10. Alrighty, so what did you guys think about my box for the month of January? Is any of my subscribers subscribe to Allure Beauty Box? Or are you guys gonna stay with it? I don't know. I have to see. But I'm very excited for everything I got. If you guys made it to the end, that means you enjoyed my video. So if you could just give me a little thumbs up, it really helps the channel. I appreciate it. And like, comment, subscribe, become a part of my YouTube family if you're not already. And I'll see you guys all in the next video. Bye.